Nandu n'umuntu umurigereria kubatekana nukugania kwa bange ni kwa tochi kumurikere finance bill ya sema rogoba yabono obono asomo gino weli tukabereka weka sense mjaro sanga mange asebiro bitire bitambe aside kachingo mwanchu mo kunyara koigorira sobo imonya ariko manye finance bill ekaningi keroro eketo kwa ne finance bill ingikego cha asebirengere bya ime mwanchu mo nenga tochi kwana asobo agaraside kachinga kurbono irimontera gukumanyia obwagare asobo ime inkike tokoroke finance bill tokore biro tigamwargania mogeni ne bweli tukobona nyare kwemanyikanigo cha somori na kiyokoro kwa faida yo muri Ndizi TV na bogoteba na kiyokoro kwa karibu sana
asamarieta korokwa engineer Kenneth Daniel Moya na abere ngocha Ndizi ya matuka mange
ndiye sana
iga bande baino abange mbomanyete lende nga lero ngokwana tore finance bills
yes
nonye inja etwa gose nonye inja ba discussed
yeah.
So we want to at least talk on the inside and then we discuss what is a finance bill.
Yeah, karo mulge na ralis ko igwete finance bill. Bon finance incheke tokoro ka finance bill.
Actually, finance bill it is a way or a system on how the government tries to get actually to tax some things that go saving to get to say, for example, yani enchira serikali yakonyora chibesa
ebanga enchira gutumira konyora
ebango turateba semon weka gusi enchire serikali yakori gichinchira ngake konyora chibesa ocha se serikali kiana enchira yoke serikali yakonyora chibesa economic development
yes
igone
re finance bill njabwa tu kuliara gocha sa bunge
finance bill it has some facts this finance bill it affect the VAT tax excess duty and other aspects of serikali eko tax ya bango yes
okay bono ase tukulia ntwarana mbasoma bate bibintu mbere barusiri oro ibintu mbere byariko bekoro ibinde barusiri bate amangana yo mugati bango turi kuwakanwa mpesa abantu na kiti bansechement ko tumenya telimane mpesa ibintu byonse bate barusiri rero kurende ko murungani kurwa saba Kenya ngo tigatu na ngurwa saba rai bagote abuna mbarayisanika kiandege 10 ne finance bill
sure osakorigera maene obugwa asubona saba Kenya obugima bwa kongire the life is so hard and people are really struggling na ndebona I think might take against abananchi banzira ko embrungari it means that thing is not good in the eyes of abananchi for instance when ebintu byaba drop down for example like one might take reward 16% on bread you know umagati no rob na for example abana bako magwa in the school nini you know this is the basic things kama mwananchi agotumia lakini nende tuarange binte binge bad drop which means at least the mwananchi is relieved although still it is the life is hard igonga ebinte byo nonya babe drop still they need to do more
yes
ekera no naye uno rebe Vincent I think even the way Kware go survive those other before this regime
yes
it's different from now ebintu byakini yani life has become so hard gasi chiyo yani bono bintu bikongete paka umuntu ngaki what is this and you know at the end of the day this lady go some zigo yobwenzi okurera asa common mwananchi
yes
so at the end of the day although the few individuals now have benefit then that is common person can survive it's not possible
okay
so ingombia to at least serikali yakora yeah drop down some other things the basic and common commodities mananja korake automia
andaka sobo angono nyara gote bintu kebie biarusi wa finance bill yate bana igabangu tero chiwa korusiwa
yeah for example ebintu mbire na wono 16% of the bread ba remove
nige bangaye ko kona somo gati nyarusiwa
yes alafu fat on transportation of sugar ya ba removed financial
sukari yego cha ime ya Kenya secondary siko ya Kenya
egocha but I think remaining a key near yoka produced and go take care at the end of the day. I think this is they want to look at system on how to tax this fat. Again, you see again this is a very common thing to everyone. So this thing they have to look at it. They have to look at their if they put this fat on this, how is it going to affect Mananji? Say, for example, no increase on a mobile transfer. For example, might take or transfer or tax. So, which means that one is okay, it remained the way it was.
Yeah. But
I've been talking for example. 2.5 on imported vehicles. It means in a career, taxi, 2.5. This one was to affect insurance. It could be very expensive even for you to pay for the insurance cover. To actually do a review housing and social health, of course. And now one thing, those are the crucial things. And then another thing, even for example, unfinished products.
Yes.
Now one even to be finished. We have a tax.
For example,
for example, raw material for imported materials.
Yes.
But then these things, unless something which can be taxed, should be a finished product, which is very good.
Yes.
So that you see, for example, like material, should not be taxed. Actually, those things should not be taxed.
Yeah.
So, for example, towers, tax. So, I think it's because it came for the demonstration.
Yes.
You got demonstration again. The demonstration is very good, by the way.
All right.
No, you quarter back of Nyokiwa, like you might take a mountain, honest, what is this actually?
Yes.
199. Again, they can end up affect. So, in the Patrinde on Iba Colin, the violence. And about mountain, I didn't know my 2 now and 25 and the go share cake and all that.
Yes.
But then instead of taxing now, for example, I finished the quantity of the volume of the alcohol. They are now going to tax the content of the alcoholic in that product. For example, from Kenya breweries.
Yes.
For example, tax for example, that bottle, they are going to tax alcoholic content, which I think is it's going to be quite a fresh because you have it So, for example, I don't know like for example, exported but drop those things because these are this is food.
Yes.
What I tax him to who you are affecting. So there are so many things that are killing, but not that one is not enough.
Yes.
They have to go deeper because if you can see, for example, like when maisha binadamu abai, naona inawatenga key, things are hard to come on mwananchi. So they have to go deeper to make mwananchi. So this, for example, this is serikali yana mama boga, the common man to have the life which is conducive.
Andaki engineer, inkirenda wa Kenya bakwe mulunga limono onye ba ebintu ebi arusiwo. Na ninki yakara bakenya bagenda tukwe mulunga.
I think before this thing the Katara come up, they had not known that this thing has been. But the data assumption this thing which we do in Parliament. This is something it will come up. Somebody, for example, like that chairman of finance bill, or for example, like now 2024, the government wanted to raise about 3 or 2 billion. unlike 2023, serikali ya raised about 211 billion. So you see that the difference inge affect mwananchi sana. So those are the things I think mwananchi umayete konya babere tipped. But I think you see either the president realized the committee yesterday before that thing at Rasom, I think these things are very sensitive.
Yeah.
Therefore, when they are sensitive, actually it's like it got unaware the common man from what he was anticipating the serikali to announce.
So I know sanegete ko ngani finance bill buna ya kwanwa 8 gubunere gase bunga yako ara ukirabona nga bunga kota yabale naki te base wete wase bunga abasanta bate bere majiga nyerre tabanyejeri.
You know, okay, fine. All said and done. I think amaite ababunge abaweti ene bill was reach korinderions. So for them to say that thing about what's it's like there are some very common, because even the very, very crucial, Pitrava touched on. Which means that's why they're saying that if this thing can be dropped, or say Baba sure I think that the tax is not going to increase, then they should not pass. And you know another thing, it can bring a key if this thing it was just on paper written that we have dropped this. But where is it that they are signed that this thing has been dropped?
Okay.
Yes, you know, it can be it is something that to cool down the temperatures.
Okay.
But in the real sense, this thing has not been signed in Parliament. These things have been dropped. Therefore, it is no I talk about very comfortable.
Lakini basa omera bakanyi bintu bi urimo.
Well, with politics, politics is politics. You know, no I karako udolega nyanja. If you just look even the last campaign, even the year what they want to be it's quite different.
All right.
So as a Kalima, you know, sometimes as a Kalima, some other things. When you see something like this, but from behind something. As a Kalni, Yaninga, as a Kalni watching Gurgete, even to get what I corora. Lakini Kuruika and Torjega is not the same as what you are not seeing.
All right. So
in Ashel, we may say that before. The Parliament approves, all of the member of Parliament, but then this thing is good.
Okay.
You go on barraging at there is something.
All right. That what engineer. Tuwango almost an tabwe county ya Kisi Richard Mumonyonga nki ya kwa negori finance bill asebiro bisinini tomakoro no tochikokora.
Correct.
Tukachana audio gria ya senator.
Yes.
Kongo tebale rokiriga abana baminto. Abana beke koliege kerero bagenda ali bataraga iga Nairobi lisusubiligi bataigwa akonde bataigwa kende bagotebanga onde tali gwakana tax bonko boli ababunge bagusi bali bagwaka ekura bunge finance bill yeye bayeseli onzipi kibese last year President William Ruto anyolete trillionaire monga ikiagete ngichi akolire tuakanire misara yes ebe seri tuabwate jiri tuabwate 2.7 billion, I mean 2.7 trillion na jiji ale wakana balimu cyakana abanyagitali cyakana madeni ejinu na jiji abasaja bakolie kibese jitu asangalire trillion ya mo ikiagenda nande bona cyata kitasa be trillion yende binde bintu takiti ese kenye gitabona igaka abanda amaje baenda girisaine ba amalionya gitali neje bana bagenda kiskure bintu bino mo Kenya gwekora njibuna njeti ngota geta affordable housing ngingokora affordable housing ngainko jeira oligere to kubeka chi industrial park ngito uchikobeko una usiali na baboli ngito uchikorosi oro muntu nante vingi tu agambire to uchikorosi so go chombe kere bintu gusi totanya kugamba neli chikole gotaka public hearings ndia bagusiba nyakorangirania bakwana mangana nganga ngito uchikobeka chivesi chito ngito uchikorosi gusi. All right. Ikartu agatwalire National Cereals and Produce Board chibwati chi warehouse chikolete bituma tubwata moyo tokobeka orotu abagera abantu bete ibinde bingi kiabete twamenya konya gwako tax kiro mwaka chibese chikunya omentwa oyigweta abasaja bande bagotara risiko ayatata kate oyo monto oyo mumo mutinyo yo arete nyiwete gagora chieka 1110 omugondo konyoro bwe serikali abasaja bakonya kubagana ekegorie kege kenarora ige town rero Nairobi na bali bande kenyingi mana bali ngusi bwaterera abo bona go monto komente beza nyene tax ya komenta mubolie tax ni ya komenta onye malia gota nyagitali onye maji tayeke nyoro abantu bagototuriti n'ebikondo bagwire chibese chitu chisen ebesa ya Kenya igeisaine chibese cha Tanzania cha Buganda cha Burundi cha Rwanda cha South Sudan cha Ethiopia na cha Somalia chibese chonse ngakia basacha bakobagana kinde gitaiyo konya korra abantu banyatenga mega projects ngokugache mega project ngibatali wocha bayigorere cancer center liere gusinanda babeke enyumba ya abangina bagwekonya bakonyora abana bone banyora abana buya ngane bintu tonya korosi bintu bitaro chinjira so ekagoliye ke buna bagukana bono bagotenga no more taxes na into bono igaye senate tuacha
kate iri kuri yo mo senator we county ya Kisinga to kwa bwatira sera gote bado ikaboniga then to kuri bango bakandi.
Thank you so much.
Talk to your engineer. Yeah.
You know, let's look this thing widely. In the sense that the last time, this is the third year now I want to go again.
Yes.
Since the government of Kenya Kwanza took over. Actually, where the last regime was the last government ya korete bintu unaona kipara kwa gobe kuchiramya no chikirete bakabono yet there is collection of that tax
nebangone ntakuruwa
ebangone ntakuruwa actually my is very right that where is this money because kwa nanga bona this it is benefiting to individual that individual who is this individual? So let the president tell us in QSR collected. Alifanyia nini? And why does he want more than that? Because only to collected the revenue. We need to sing a kick Kenya actually are moving into another level. Actually going next year, it's like 2025. About one ones what we prepare manage campaign and all that.
Yeah.
Which means that in these 5 years. As says the Kenya, nothing has been done. Yes. So, actually, to me, I can sing a parliament, ababunge, wakaza kapsa wafunge mshipi watenga mangana hapa ya finance bill, no and it's no.
All right.
Yes.
Ine ngana ya mwori na no nsema ya finance bill, no and it's no.
To me, I say finance bill, until and after, things are channeled well.
Yeah.
Things are put in place in the right way.
Yes.
The common mwananchi ameambia ukweli. For example, like the last time Mekarabaya occurring public participation, it was only done in Nyamira. You never saw it in Kisii, which means that there are some things which were hidden. Therefore, until and after, in day and light, then I think that one everybody can be comfortable now. Sign the bill.
All right.
Yes.
Asante sana engineer. Negambo twabwate chinsa chinke ngati na twakwanira ndake gori finance bill. Turugichinga kina tukwa na mange ni matana mange twabwate turugichinga kichinde tukwa na mange na mange yo burayimbole wose wa director injo tukwa nenga kyanzo libagari yabene tunyara gusanga sobamo.
Even myself.
Yeah.
Nimbuate problem.
Yes.
I lost my brother in the USA.
Pole.
I got him in Nimbuate. Amatanasa maskanga this TV ne.
Yes.
And I could not let you not come.
Thank you.
Because no nyambua na watabako.
Asante.
You got in the next time make it have. And then internet our director. Which I of course next time make invite because election is next week.
Yes.
You got in the we need to talk with the director.
All right.
To kuwa na wagale.
Okay.
Tekera ndo waji kuwaka.
Wanya bango mama atanga ibagwaka hoje. Asante sana byamona nchirimo nchimurigire bono gwekera bwo tware gambo enyenge sana kubatekana nimero biri tuko na twanyorwa ko mwancho murigeria tukasaba kwabera asema rogoba yabono kolinde twanyorwa wake kolinde ntwandira gusangamana no kumanya mangu buna kolekana ko igure finance bill link na ria rona ria na mange ntobeto ko kumanya gwetera Ndizi TV byamona swali mwachara gotengera asema rogoba yabono gotubwatia SMS ya mwana miyatomera nenga kenda nainde litera nenkro kwa Vincent Onyancho byamona engineer asogocha. Bye bye.